National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a flash flood warning for Central Smith County in northeastern Texas, Upshur County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tyler, Gladewater, Gilmer, Lindale, Big Sandy, Hawkins, Horde, Rosewood, West Mountain, Dunday, Winema, Midway, Red Springs, Pritchett, Grice, Betty and Carroll. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Smith, Upshur, and Wood. The tornado